one of the reasons Ghanaians voted for you to come and save the Galamsey and everything. In fact, your campaign was full of that. Now, by there, National Security Advice say, if you can do a referendum in Ghana right now, say Galamsey site, do we declare it or not? I believe about 80% of Ghanaians will say we should declare state of emergency. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is aware that 80% of Ghanaians are calling for it. And if 80% of Ghanaians are calling for it, why do you use a fraction, 0.09, of national security to say that they haven't advised you? What is the meaning of that? And if we have such people leading us, they may be very good in economics, they may be very good in energy, they may be very good so and so. But I talk on security. And since His Excellency John Dramani Mahama took over office, security in Aya West. Against some security Aya West, right? There's a in terms of security. And what is happening right now, no, we are likely to see worse things. The reason being that government between 29 NC. So how did we get here? We got here because time election yes, some kutupa. Who said police niggas and mean ballot box and say so they need push any be. Where you see a yenibi and a Ghana for Melbourne, a some kutupa. To the extent that soldier for a two air guided baby, no more so a more me. Near Kukumum. Ya saw Mukutupa. Now, yes, saw Mukutupano, a good father, not on it, they couldn't act. Embarrassingly, as President Kufuor said, all the people that are looting and misbehaving are NDC people. So Mahama should talk to them. In his capacity as what? At that time, he wasn't president. It is you arrest the person, take the person to court. Nothing of this was done. And I believe the umpire just wanted another to set a record to become the IGP in NDC days as in MPP days. So he wasn't really pulling his weight. And he allowed the people to misbehave. Now, almost so Mukutupa, almost misbehave here, MPP, now when NDC took over, they can't control them again. They can't control them again. Like the terrorist groups we have in the world, most of them were created by America. Now, a true state, now America, control many. Some of them misbehavior was created by the government in power. And now, after taking power, he cannot control them anymore. And they say, here, things will get out of hand. A state of emergency is important so that people will be afraid to go to the Galamsey site. They see, it is an MP that rallied the people to go and release those who have been arrested, to go and release it's an MP. MP. Not just a penny for Nankasana. Or see it to stop they are not interested in stopping it. Why? Their portions are inside. Their portions are inside. So they are not interested in stopping it. And the on my penny there, Mekasa Kabium, Bambo Hunya. And this is as I said, we are sitting on the tambo. Because a babine body is Excellency John Dramani Mahama was fairly poto.
So in a country, our president has failed security-wise. The interior minister is also not performing. Where the youth is also attacking those protecting us. The possible implications in a way.
And also, not just be bold, empower you from at the two someone, and then as far. Because they are able to confront security. Maybe the ma, maybe the abo, ebi de omo bare hands confronting soldiers in uniform. This will tell you say obi etimi empower omo kakra e di two so omo nsa omo nchen se soldier for mra o omo be kwa kotwa se be ma kam for so ankasa omo kotwa so ankasa e di kura unemployment ajimu afa enipa nya dwuma anya no ye makwan e ma saade odi eyi ni ti because o makwan ma sanema this terrorist group ISIS soldier neighbor akopere na ketia te say America doctor aketia 3 months na ketia ba kom te say 3 months aketia ema offending ISIS ranks ni bi okra na ne ketia te say 1 year medical doctor ranks ni bi in ISIS anti-terrorist group and whatever they are attractive for the youth. Obi oni adwuma ye no such groups are very attractive. Na senia o man ni gusu ekono. So obi etimi gada o mokakra e di tuo bi sisi o monsa en nasefo a ensamone bi e bekoso o man no e do. Enti the advisors on security to the government no I don't know what they are doing. I don't know what they are telling him, but we are not too safe.
About 2-3 years ago, in an interaction with the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, and Anna Orchere said, near Kayaso or the Arab Spring, in no time will get us here. Possibility no emuna yenami.
The Arab Spring, you know, is a deeper thing. It wasn't within one country.
Sure.
Meaning exactly what the Archbishop was talking about. Once I saw from the Omo Kasa who's a spirit at some Omo Kaon.
Okay.
Omo analyze at some more. I am doing analysis purely at this stage. Now about Arab Spring now. It wasn't for, it's a continent. Let me say it's a region. Oh, it's a region, a whole region, involving many countries.
Yes, I asked that question based on near Kayaso around us.
It is possible, but the dynamics are likely to be very different. Oh, it is possible, but dynamics, you know, are very different. On the Arab for almost 5, a lot of ideologies are involved. A lot of ideologies are involved. A lot of history is involved and whatever. But when it comes to around us like Ghana, Togo, Burkina, Ivory Coast, Mali, Chad, those around us, you know, if there will be anything, it will be takeovers, coup d'etats, and whatever. But countries rising against countries will be a little difficult.
Debiana aya onsem kayano ota eka say Muntaka is a failure and they should change him and bring in Kofi Boakye. What is so special about Kofi Boakye?
Kofi Boakye is a man of the field. Yeshe Bible munsem yeshe baby ayedu and baby enam na ya pehu akande. Bon, they say a two amount for aging someone potentially 1 year. We must strike it. Also, Munya Interior Minister Busuro. Interior Minister, or what track record? Out to me this armor of to Interior Minister, or what strategy? Ultimately, the cost of Nassau. Except police for one after for no, in Ukraine. Ama Omutimi, Equanim, a rescue, a name maybe a also Mutimi. Which, of course, Mutaka is a politician or a pure politician on the security aspect. Only knowledge on the grounds or your pure politician. Let's say some few months ago, more security areas like police, military, all these security people. Mutaka kopamu omunya say ebi ampasi omo mas, ebi ampasi omo. Yeah, or say be or diabetes, a be or blood pressure. But many ameno can say, any people be Ghana for some more diabetes, any people be blood pressure. Well, say, who was security knowledge? You train to be crowd disperser, any security intelligence, who we are say, Unimas, Timapamono, Obi a web training is say, only English, Mapam, or blood pressure, Mapamono. Opamo na juma ben hadem send nsa se omra community no be na other send nsa a military training, police training, a to intelligence and what they send nsa o and wapamo no to mesan community no obi ani ho a what security intelligence obey sa de da won opamo o so metena ade because police soldier departments minia baby o ho TV kaka ne yehwo o TV ani no TV ohu bibi anu a report baby or a secretary or tap on him office meaning or diabetes ultimate type ultimate TV bankers need teachers are whole real time was here. Do you know the diabetes and the BPs inside there? Well, it will be or diabetes and BP. Obey me as a department in the security here. I want you giddy now the national obey passing the English in the master. What you have to do. And maybe I think it was Ghana Commercial Bank, ASANTE to be corrected. And you're finding out a baby qualify or degree for munibi and whatever. Then a month and 4 years. Almost more money after 3 years as a 2 years as a 4 years. So be uncle non-famra. Why? You're training more experience, no? You ain't mean Pamomo, Uncle Far for say after the SRB training, Yababoka. You're training where you money that and your month or more people na montenem. Omo security crown. That's what they did. And to security there, also the two teams there. Some pamunko for you, but he did it. So the incompetency of the interior minister, no, since he took office, no, has become so clear. So clear. But they are a jar security. Now be a security you do no against them. A good for the time no na against them ba. And we all had hopes that John Dramani Mahama will do something about it. And it is worse in these days. Indeed, I was saying changes also or your consultations also or your and not for no. Or yet in them because a certain certain stage at the harding. Papa.
Ajana Pemedasi.
Meno Casay. A poor crew of mine, omunim, nedo. So, Jafoni police vote to be brave system, a man for the brave. Oh, they don't even have the obiti baby air plan. How will you get to know? The Nibetiano, now for Daniel Quiet. And when it comes to security, there, many there was some border poor. We are not safe.
Anapayadasi. Opani anene di nkomoy security analyst Yura Andrew Asiedu Tete ono ne ate ne kana pay won so utie ye wadwenkyere e won nsem ho e de say enana pay ma me mfa sedam fama telesel cash wo mo si yanko a na wo sende sika e de ma obi a yenye wo hwe telesel cash to telesel cash wo sende a free. It just send it keke. Ni abeye nyina ne se obe dial *110 hash. Ana obe download Telesol Play app no. Na afi wa send keke. Send keke. O send ya ye nje wo hwe. Telesol cash o se send keke. O so odo to herbal center so kwakofo o so odo to herbal man capsule ya badwa so. Eye ma obi biara nti obi ama ne nsanka bi. Se bi wo fi a Enyarowa to say Sisiaria de Coco away. Intanapa me camfo edi amount. Bia to adrubi alcohol ma won sabeka bi nemum dodo na wo patu akokota bo na fre 0242 7022 sorry 0242 702 662 ana 0545 355 796. The Bros Phones Service hodom na ye kwakọ pick phone papa edi akura identify odi chire mu ewo eye boada ka bro sane mu odwuna ase esoro hodom na ubehunu eye the Bros Phones Service so up a quality phone and then the gadgets dia and one and the Bros phones service. So iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, laptops are holding the one in Nabi. So air phone glass, phone protectors, phone covers, power banks, and the account. Messi for niche mo ewo dwuna ase. Boada ka bro sanemu e soro hodma and abe hu the Bros phones service from 0550981107 and 0543531524. The Bros phone service was a quality phones which are affordable and cheap. Na oba de da me de me ka o me se wani monyam na wutiri nti oba siesie wutiri ho ma wutiri ho nya fe wutiri ho nya fe a wonam nko ade price ubenya eno nti fa wani chire mu ewo superior hair and beauty supply is where every strand speak style say yemmo wuti no emfa mawo say yemfa enku emfa wutiri no entreat wutiri no man relax na wona mana air to shine woda na wuti kakra bia na etwafa no kama eno a ene superior hair and beauty supply styling tools ahodo ne woni nyina bi human hair synthetic wigs weave bundles so pe air shampoo conditioner and as a living ye woni nyina ewo air superior hair and beauty supply no watwe ye bia ye pro no nsia nimre ni atum ubehunu superior hair and beauty supply ewo omahina bro sanemu wodwuna ase ye ben adom cool store freyin 0242449977 and 0555568100 na Bills micro credit yes ye de ye hia sika o ye nka se fa osika bra fa beto honom na ye nhwe osika na ho ne ye ma osika na fa kodi wudwuma o ye nka se bra na beto susu na osika ne nuru baabi anse ya ma osika o ye nka se kokofa collateral bi bra the one kasa wo collateral anka pa pepuse enti Bills ye dwene wo ho wo dae so no ne nyina bebe mama wo abra wo de wani akyerem ewo Bills micro credit ye say dae so be na wunya ne wanya no aka sika a wo de be hyem ama dae so no atumi awie pɛ na abam ade ama wo nanso so no nema mu ayedin sika ne asem Bills say sa ohaw no yefiri wadwendwene mu emfa ho ne bebia wo hye emfa ho ne nipa ko a wo ye emfa ho ne sika dodo a wo hia ne hia ne sa obefa wo Ghana card Bills de ne hia ene wo Ghana card wo fa wo Ghana card abra ya so ye anafre 0596 920833 and 0302 200 390 na boss ampa enyama ekoyi so get started but remember terms and conditions apply. Mr. Ka, good morning.
Good morning, Kwasi.
Napomo.
Yamiado.
I hope the story what can be
Yeah.
What yet you
Yeah.
What when your woman in so and what didn't you pay?
Yeah, Kwasi me das me say ensemi be PP munra. Enra na titi mun semwa ene na de dia na opinion ne di nkomo so na me follow nkomo no. Senior ekowie nyina so ne nyina so na metie ya bechia atifo a anope omutie ne ahwefo mo hwe live on Facebook My Liberty FM and all the social media handles edo mase Kwasi galam say nsensemi aka yeguso ka ya bekoso so aka sa sempanyine se etrenchi ya yenya echesoa say 30 ye yenya echeso nti ebekoso na ya didi ho nkoma na di ekosi ye ewo ahafo ho ne de Kwasi enye ne papa mu a eno no se emabunu betimi ato ahye abambofo a ya mo kwan se omonhwe mmoa na galamse ekoso etuontwa na emabunu beto ahye won so person omoye omonye do ade in fact na hadwen nti you see na Kwasi sometimes da ye kan galamse asemi ya na makan Kwasi say ya na Ghana for no ye ka say ade ne yempe but Ghana for no bi ajade yatuma che so omonye omadwen so ombejai because no asensem ekuko so say ade a Ghana for ye nyina ya je atum say yempa at least sana mo na nka mabru ne kromofo no kutu no no I don't think say nkombe sad and very bad very sad sɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ saa nneɛma no ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ man mu na nneɛma ɛkɔ so sɛ ya na ɛno no galamsey no yɛne abere sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtu ase anaasɛ yɛ encourage sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ ɛkɔ so because pɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so ahafoɔ no deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ wɔbɔde wɔbɔfoɔ so sɛ nkɔ so mewa ɛyɛ wrong sɛ abambɔfoɔ bɛkye nipa bi kwan a wɔn fa so ɛsɛ nsaase no ɛnyɛ kwan a wɔn fa so sɛ nsuwansuwa ɛnyɛ na wɔn de wɔn bɛma abambɔfoɔ na yɛbɛkɔ akɔgye wɔn afiri abambɔfoɔ sɛ by force sɛ yɛnte ase yɛn nkurɔfoɔ no wɔn nkɔ deɛ kwasi na ɛnyɛ fɛ da si saa nneɛma wie no ayɛ na wobɛkɔ mu a no kwasi na akɔyɛ politics o yɛyɛ maa ne etim no yɛde politics yɛ biribiara nti wohwɛ ɔpanin a na ne kasa yɛ a saa na akɔyɛ ɛno akora na ɛba sɛ mp bi ɛwɔ hɔ no ma mp mu a ɔno mpo na ɛdi anim sɛ mabunu no nyɛ saa yɛ a yɛnkɔ yi wɔn yɛkye wɔn mfiri police wɔnom nyinaa no na yɛsɛ mp no hyɛ aseɛ
yes but mps no de krataa aba mmɔnten so a wɔn nso ɛkyerɛ sɛ nea ɛrekɔ no nyinaa no wɔn anim bibia ɛfa ho I remember Alhaji Collins Dada ɔno nso so n'asɛm a ɔka ne sɛ even ɔno kora saa de sika no ni Ghana one of the MPs na ɛfrɛ no alert ne sɛ sei na ɛrekɔ so ɛna ɛma ɔno nso kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔne ɛkɔ na yɛne ɛyɛ nine mosifo mpanimfoɔ ne nkasa ɛna saa de no nso so ɛkɔ so the other member of parliament no nso ɛyɛ Beneza Eben was also saying sɛ ɔno nso so no na ɔno nso ɛfiri de mpasua so a ɔba ayie ɛwɔ Alhaji Collins Dada mpasua so na ohun sɛ biribi sei ɛrekɔ so then quickly he alerted Alhaji Collins Dada and then Alhaji directed him to go to the NIMOS director so that obetumne akasa and he did as ana eti but ne nyina ma anopa yenti nkomo we emfiri ho yenua bema obi a oye NDC member of the communication team friend Seram Godfred na odi assembly aba tudwa nasema all Kenyina he is calling on Ghanaians to disown the MPP over rampant corruption and greed expose. Adenti ena all can assembly. Seram, good morning.
Good morning, Open.
That is say.
Namina do namoswe.
Odi achaye. Na why this call say Ghana for end this only the MPP? If corruption cases are hodo ekoso ewo mai
that's a minia edika meche ona mache otifo nyina na MPP a political party there it was basically built on lies yen try to nguni panso na yemfa hunya tumi aya dia omaye from 1993 abeti ene sabi John Dramani Mahama eluzu aba 2016 na nyese bia na on performance ya mainam nsem keka yentwa trogu ne so yenka we John Dramani Mahama yewe NDC fo yewe sene bia Ghana for bubu fu omu na omaye omu fu ho. That was the main reason here John Dramani Mahama free Abraham in 2016. So, yenina inya GDA ewa MPP mu se omoba ombere ombe bo mama na tumpom. Nemu since 2017 MPP beji akonya no. The level of corruption you here no. In fast. Na it's like it has become normal. Say every day bia ebeda sorry no na corruption scandal every day bia ebeda sorry na corruption scandal ene John Dramani Mahama aba be 10 months ni with no corruption scandal ebi see that o be say aban bia aba from January 7 abati November no corruption scandal ebi see that so who say it's about time we Ghanaians we come together and then do away with MPP and then focus on political party. With that is where we come out with this right now.
All right, but say Oka say MPP corruption scandals are fall for the one. Corruption scandal be na for the one emra ene wo mo ekon ya ebo wo mo.
Yeah. Well, when you say
Una wo kan me won kind I don't know.
there me pese me jira oni say I say na NDC about maybe Ghana ye di emra ene bo oman no. Enye se bia mo ka say we corrupt and I say what we are abanja padienti na amunum ho no ma na atam wo di akoto prison emra ene me no wo ka say keep to worry. And now we are deputy CEO of National Service Authority. And then we know say ordinary court.
But it's not been established. So you crom for and so BBC and we are mining sika. It is an allegation which has been leveled against her.
It's an allegation which has been leveled against her. But you hear the level of sika and an amount of money here can wasem.
All are allegations in the part of them.
Say obvious me abomodin allegation say because of court because say Emrani say until proven guilty into
correct.
Into no you be fan sa but say until open say 2.2 billion Ghana cedis.
It is the AG.
Yes. Say the 2.2 billion O series but you are bet me alcohol.
That be niamena wo kano. Sika say Ebeko studio, say Enko studio. That one is an allegation which has been leveled against her, for which the courts will prove otherwise.
That is why I'm saying, say.
And mpapacho meso me ba o. Enti say woka say NPP are full of corrupt people. I don't side with you.
You don't side with me.
Yes.
Enti ye wo krum hana ye ka say mine galamse. My yentu galamse bihuma ya president the then president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo about until the case one okra is ready to put his presidency online.
Correct.
And check be and Professor Frimpong Boateng a report by the MPP one okra na galamse kingpins no and they say they need money for the party here sika. Some way a free one kasa omonum buy no. You and I, do we need what evidence do we need beyond this as an idea to say MPP for no or more and a chat here galamsen? A debate boom and I mean no here. I because of Omano, a yamra and a real Jumantino, which means sorry and Cassa would be a to jail. I was a court of competent jurisdiction proving the panel say ampa why bonnie and answer to prison. So as I'm talking to you now, give to a worry or court for corruption related activities. Edubuahi or court for corruption related activities. Me no say oh to me or court. Mr. Hanan in the year or more court. So meanwhile, this is just a beginning. There are a lot of them that will be taken to court. There are a lot of them that will be arrested in the subsequent time.
But appearing before a court doesn't make you a corrupt person.
Appearing before a court doesn't make you a corrupt person. But obi Ghana high way to obi the second kumu obi sisi na udi weni ni panese bia with the second channel ni amane wu still they will take that person to court.
I agree.
It doesn't mean say no on there.
I agree.
So
per that analogy, are you saying or insinuating say because say court I age no abo wo ko do say corruption related cases in our bones no wo mo e corrupt na
o say age babonti be ka say wo you will not take a matter to court until say when ya concrete evidence I say adeno nipa no wa yampa. And so now what you need in the panel court.
And only a casa.
Oh, that is to you, no, a casa. But me, what AG is telling us, no, let's say, AG information, evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. I say in Kofono or my yard because they be our babontia or say when you evidence, when you more evidence, I say any panel or more evidence, I say any panel, what transfer car. free her e dey akọ ha omo wo receipt nyina e wo ho no. So what evidence do you and now what evidence do you need again?
It is the AG who is telling us.
It is agent who is telling us.
Yes.
That is where it's just a matter of time. Unia, it's just a matter of time.
If it's just a matter of time, it doesn't make the person corrupt.
That is where me, for us, we the youth force within the NDC, we think that it's about time all Ghanaian comes together and then do away with the MPP party. Then let's focus on the one party who is called NDC.
Did I hear you say that is what you think?
That is where I'm saying that is where we, the youth force within the party, we believe and think that is what the right way to go.
Okay, then once it's your belief and thinking, and I thank you this morning for your time, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right. Oduya wote in your friend Sarah Godfred, the youth force in NDC. Woman so awesome, but from where you sit, how do you see things? Mr. Car one say, but before I go to him, I'm faster than from I'm not consultancy firm. I'm not consultancy firm, as a man can shop. One more dear near here and say, Obefre woman about my say, say we here a Ghana card. O Ghana card no a hon atochima opese correct at the amount. Ope a attestation every court, business certificate, ope a gazette acquisition, affidavit. Birth certificate, see and reprint information, young correct and young right register information, yen are not consultancy firm. So open police report, passport replacement, passport renewal, new passport re-registration, passport rebooking and passport printing. Womo are not consultancy firm. Ubenu are not consultancy firm junase. First floor of Maccom Plaza, eben adum Coastal from 0202 817 073. Mr. Ka.
Wazi. And it's Diana. Manogo so America and say, Namus for no. Yen no one to me no majuma ye. Because one man penny Yansen morning and India who say, Galamsen and Yadia Babuana, what power. A banner power on Mr. Omoshamwa. Na Galamse, of course, you so and so and Sassy say, near the Yadia. I would also a brain. 20 minutes. I say I'm from Accra, young home crying. Oh, see a power one no mudu majuma na say, Mabnu be to say, a Jumedu Mudi on Mompene, and Womuni into one bed trash or Mosodia, and near quite nice by, and run and cry near ban purchase and conform which won't be crying a Ghana for. And yeah, Ghana for a Maho crime will be a 1 year Ghanaian. One free Ghana how, one on be saying so, any and Sassiaco, I didn't hear you say. Na obi so so one penny emma say nipa na wonye Ghana ni empo so Ghana ni kra one penny man sense ase ne suo no wo say nipa no say nipa no wo kwa akoye ne bone wo koye ne dom wo prevent ne so man nye na dwuma do no pese obo man ho e ban no wo boy nsuo ane nsase wo ban no wo timamu ne tenchen say wo penny because evidence say wo ka say MP no abekle no say ntisa because no asana na e ban say ntisa fine because ntisa de anka media MP no ho yawo because any concept banisa we are penny now with the domanimu and our domanoa. You should know what is right. And when I was so ye now the bois Emma Timamufo in your song for so every day. So I'll be claimed from an say yes sanity. Because I know 70cc and now quite say in summer and call for air canoe it be enono. So until your best Ghana for do one opinion and a cassa also or Cassasi a Cassia referendum for state of emergency one. Ghana for base 80% budget to a bit more than that. A bear more than that. Me make us a Ghana for bear 90% budget. Kakra be 10% bini ya more ya munya wusikadi. No class no. But I know so kwani bit me afa kwan papa so aye but ni pass one ye. Ene ya kasa. Sisi ya omanpanyin na ban tu anamo kwasi. Ama bambo for se omommo ban no omhwe se saa ne ma bone na ekoso Ghana se ne tu ntwa. Won se Ghana for bia yetimamufo e stopo bambo for ne so ommo nyo omadwuma. Into your man penny on your debut. What's that the whole subwalk on your thing? Would you and among where you call for say or Monshamwa? My dear, of course, in the true chat. Ghana phony be so to baby says your penny. Because honey is ready. Nay, side, because I'm what. And fast forward. And come out with your new idea, because immediate or my team is will be a discard. Your mum running in your day, Indy. Because I be penny didn't say cano. Member sick, I'm here, because see, which way 1 minute will be. wone na busua ibe kura busua no kura wa mo bi abi wono ane na yene ne ma didi ye nti se wakwa akodi oman sika ene ye wo se wono oman no echiyam emrabo no a wo se wono oman no echiyam no wo kire senti a oman sika wono kwa ate de wasa de sirem but mama kwasi ene so enye se ye pentem boaten na de bia no we wieska we discuss ansem no de kwasi am party o because Ghana ha na ye no de bia obi discuss de bia obi wieska ye de nipa no kwa akudina court at the end of the day enkosi ba bia na nipa ne nam ho ehwehwemu fikɔ a wase ye efa nipa na ye bɔ no ko adu sɛ sabi wawia oman ni sika no kwasi ye nye o akɛ mesusu sɛ ye dwen sɛ wawie sika na ntantantante de nipa na kudina court udi ni kudina court be ma ne be ye ma ne be wi a sɛ asɛm no ye ka ye asɛm no ye ka ye betimi atra ho amfie be sɛ enwɔtwe mfie nsia mfie nan uhu asɛm no poma sibre eni ti no aya ye nyai so we awie sika allegations ne don so ye ma court improve say yes asumasi wa wi oman ni sika wa fo oman ni sika na mra e wo court no fa ni say nipa no na ya pre ye ho de bia na we awie sika kwasi eno de me no aya na sansem no menti ase ebetumi abase no kra se nipa na yeden afo oman ni sika kwasi ebetumi aye no kra se nipa na for oman ni sika ba kwasi evidence to prove se nipa na fa no wanya wo susu ye na susu ye no enya no kra kwasi sa na ti o wo no susu ye no susu se asumasi afa sika be se 1 billion Ghana cedis e was say wonya evidence e kire say nipa na fa kwan bonus no fa sa sika no na wanya evidence bia to prove a na wo de ne kogina court a court timi in charge ne fa ne ntumu evidence no we ye pre ye woni asesa nkofa ya say de bia no ye be say ye bibi mu obi hu say ye bibi say obi a discount ye ne kogina court e ba ne say mo a ye nya hwehwemu ansa na nipa na wususu say wa form ne sika wo de na akọ na ebo no a na fe Ghana fo sika na wodi no wa fe sika man na fe mra so atwena so na ekoye kasa we wieska sa na kwasi etimo NDC bai yes NPP fo bia wieska o mo yakromfo tama NDC free so NPP bai yes say NDC fo bia wia o man sika o mo yakromfo kwasi echi obitum ya to man mu yanto obi antum eniti sabi mom ye nya botre before would obi be court no so osusu say wa form man sika wa hwehwe nkratam na osusu say wa form man sika munye hwehwemu ye na mo fa ne pa ne court eno na be ma court no nya grounds no matimi ye di ne pa na sem na say ekobo ne say wa fa sika na ya je sika na asohwe won de abo no na sam pepre hu ye no so ye den
Anaba Asidan Koma Mr. Cow on this. Nemo Minsai Emfa Asida Emfa Ma Genike Block Factory. Genike Block Factory bia ye ton blocks. Debia me catch me say in this 21st century Ghana ye woman. Building and construction any the HCC or mine. Intisa na pay why a wadon is so opese wusi fie dia. Any Genike Block Factory ese bra o maso ye na beto blocks. So open pavement blocks, open hollow blocks, open solid blocks, and now covert. I know so the be directly ensue and all be gutters and I say bridges or fee anyone I say area muno. A Genike Block Factory and American for the amount. So unya edru Genike Block Factory your blocks ye the bemo with no stress or how be any good news no any Indiana pay call Genike Block Factory na koto blocks. O tons so a ye de beko akwa kujaa free ye nje wo hwe ebia na wo odae so ne se obetoka na watenem na wapeka e free eye amanone eye home use and as a brand new what the bomb na free eye Genike ewo anwem kwantempon no eso wo mo eben Rock East Guest House fre 0246 442742 ana 0244 1941 77. So upper blocks, papa dia, and your own Genike in Insawaso. And I pay Yentia also wadin kakra. Na yanko fa good moon sem and famrel 0536304072 0322296342. Come on, wadin anything. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacha udini wasemwe. Brago jo yentio.
Ebesre abano se onhwe sɛ ne mpanifo mu nim die wo security no echeche nsemo no so monti na se no ma bi ekoba na nkoyi a ebi na wonu hwohwe na oso na bebegu se ne mpefo bu bebi se peni ye bola no ma bi na so na digro no anhwe yi a ebi na wa adwempa ba ntwitwa nan bi a watwa wona asi na de begu so na omo di sika no so yes se that mpefo ne nemnti obi wona yire obi wona ma ebi na nya no kwaso wie sika na ma ba be kana abonten wode be kwakodu court no na wa kwakodi be na wadifo ito mu yanhwehwe mu na se nipa na di ampa yɛmfa baabi a no kweda na yɛmu nipa no kɔ na nyi sika no ma ɔma na nipa no ɔnkɔdam na ntwe na so nti baako bi a yɛfrɛ state of emergency no yɛsɛ mu nkyere mu twi ɛnyɛ nyina na ɛte asɛ sɛ ɛno nti na ɛma dodo na yɛmfa yɛ anom wu aba no so na sɛ wɔsɛ wɔyɛ a ɔnyɛ a ɛma mmɔfra no nso a ɔmpɛ ɔma no yie no ɛde galamsey ɛsɛ ɔma no ɛda wa
Yes, that's it. And also, what you say, and none pay 0536304072 Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir. Mpacho yentio.
Kayaso, Adeakye na woni ni di nkomo sisia. Ema politicians mean say sebe omo kwa na wajin. NDC free so MPP buy. Ye the NDC focus dina court ye bo omo kwa du. A court edi omo asem kwa ni ma ya dwene edi akire ma me na won maslock no. Say jeri no oda so ti aburujiri. Attorney General onfa red alert enko twenema yen onko dem. Omo a yede omo ko gina court nyina court di omo asempo aka mo omo wie no omo ba yo mo say omo ni interest was ansem ni ama ba ko na oye Bank of Ghana governor na omo je say sebe yenya ye tim enu ye nyina ye sebe ti bon koso inti ma won ke kasa ansem no se ti NDC free so se ti NPP for so eba omo be nya NDC for won asem aka achi bi mu okogun NDC ba obeja odom NPP so ne nkrofo afa omo aye try omo se ti ye do omo gumu a oba ono so obeka so ni interest wo ba ye omanfo na ye twi NDC ami sure na
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Also, what you share and it's 0536304072 Good morning.
Good morning.
Ajam pacha udin wasab.
Kayaso na pombi ze.
Nyamiadum.
Pacha fiku iska fama.
All right, fiko yentio.
Na ye politicians na den omo de ye. Omo kan ku. She wa yo bi di MPP for ye di sa ye ba ye ntinu anya na hwe. Is it omo ye alungwa se no mdigu amanfo papa ne omusi apo.
All right, thank you, Fico. And I want to show there 0536304072 Edon eye ahoma ye dia to wana pay ye di edi enkomo. And to want to show you na pay and say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Me pacha wudin. Ketu yentel.
Kayaso me da wase. Ene me speaker. Ene mo pa bombo. Na Ghana na ngata no. Ghana ye ho abro. Because obi di ni a oye ne yonkon. Ni ba ka bi ti abo penti. Ana Ghana ye bre. Sambi ana e ba ba ni, sambi ana ba ni bi. That's why you have to na na yet because aba no ti ni consider mo. So ko e balance. Na ko funa mo na ngata ngata no. Aso mo de mo say ya bi be ana sa tembe to mo. Mama Ghana ye bre. You be under the Sabaya Juma. Bebre Sana Winska. Quick morning, Sana Ghana, Blanche. And I'm saying, the people are some regular with me. That's a one could be more for a very better to say, oh my God, for you, I had bread. It's almost a beggar cap and it's cool for a month or you got quite a farmer, a month or a month. It's Saturday, I'm what about I want to see you and I am you to let me see you know. It's just there only.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Ajampa Chawudi. Asuma Dampa Kroma Yentio.
Yamin Shiramupa. Yes, Fred Dana for Yanti Abina Sit. Now, yes, be a woman to guarantee, yes, be a Ghana for Yampo Masamu. Now, woman would say, oh man, and Satia, when you almost say, if you have so about Bianca Santre, no, yes, Abana can I need the basic Ghana and never go. Then I have to know to say, the more and yet, and the evening I thank you, die. And as I see answer the Alcoban said, glass in the call, Banahin crew. But can I for so far above who I took and say, or not some two. A woman say answer so a woman to me, Mamma, yes, I don't know. Edamatene and some of the brain.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Yami shop Odi Liberty Hefra Dumo Quadumo, Adam and Nikojo Krumilico.
Adam Yentio.
Yo, Takra Mekana say, I'm panning for no Kayaso, Omodada, Omuchaya Bepapa. Free and animal pens in Omacati, where I say, where bow, where bow, betum. What is the same? Nipa do a buy who do a buy in a Nipa hate and Omachimachu, Omatum say, or my corruption. And that's what we are, you gonna chicken. Oma the Pomo. Piano betting I do VIV, Omoka Canasana, Tam National, no, Bessinico, no way so about mature to town over this. Yes, Tikaya, you prefer years, my young one, you Tikaya, no, we didn't have with her. And don't find what you baby of Gayazo. And I did to me, Galam says to me, the penny for a day. Obia, a hollow did you. MPB or hollow did he? Nana, him for a bit more, a hollow to did. DC, a hollow no did he, one come in a name to hollow did he. And he had a bit my Jaida. Only him say, I do a bit my Yamanu, yes, or Mutuatia, or Modiana Bomo.
Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Daniel.
Kayaso, when I met the Kamabo, Jumania Michel, and a Pamitia as the Kasamwabo unit 212. Now, Mentia, Honorable Bumawan. And Chama Yesa. Kayaso, in fact, and Ramitian news, I fell it. Payimu Pao was say, and Galam say, what was the Amuniomanti? I'm off for Fenachin. Of original minister and paying for the bridge. Yes, sir. Galam say, Kayaso, and my Gianni, I now quote Gianni and Ausro. Intiadiana by a year. 8 years rabbi. One year, a bedroom was a party at Yabai. As I say, Yanja, Yachana, Yalia. Now, Yalian Kuya, Abano, Vaswadan and Awaya. And to say, I can't so free manoni. Because I said, if I do a send a Timito and Sunny Bino. Now, no, the Kayaso. Yabamo, Akiapo, and then so clear, Yabi, we have also. And that time on us say, and also Namusa who will toss in there. Jane and your mom will be also. 8 years later, Akiapo, Ghana for what's enough. Young Pedro Quincy 1 year demonstration, and yes, I abandoned it. Yes, you'll be by waiting and see to Abama Bobia. Or no, Bobama Maguania Jumaya, at years to Galam.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are my last caller, your first say. All right, Joe, into you.
Daniel, or Catholic, Nammy said, you have been got a bunch of Catra. I want me to know Manacasari. Or say, I fell it. Or me tell you, but was say, Regiment
San or Kaya Pepe.
But, I'm someone Yahweh, what's that? I'm never from my ass because was Mamma and
the whole tennis and Ra and a peace news. One more a car, so I 7. What I don't know the issue and yes and what say as 7 and as what Nipana baby see now Kamusa. I and a piece of one a born in what but me so you just relax. Why? And to just relax and then and yeah Daniel now can I talk Daniel Echo 2 Peace FM. Daniel say OTA Peace News. Yes, sir. All right.
kana yenyina ehaye ya ndi finipa na nyanga sana no tiare hane because o papa te bi enu koko na ni be tino mako chago etu ska ayo o ma no se ya sori anyina bia be bata because bia na me dale kan me se wo ko bonzan ha ya bonzan me ma ko yi I want mu disa mo yira no ana disa mu ti dele se o mo mu disa mo yira na o ba to ba ni pa ko no o ma se mo ya tumi a o mu ti dele se o e bi wo na se gana no ya sori anyina me ya party ya be ha bi wo wa se yira ya no ti economic ya na mo dente na o TMC dema
meso me dase ene wo dia odi free eye aboduam ede ebae me de besi e wa ha me mfa ofrefo bia bi and it's time for sports. Mr. Car.
Yeah, kwasi.
Quick one.
Yeah, sorry so no. Kola ya woni ne kasa sisi ya no. Anya Daniel na ekase obo regional minister dion. Me enura me tie news no. Na me monitor peace news we no. Nipa ne say omo ba be galamsey bi won petem ho. Na ono no si ho kwan so omo nya dan.
Enye. Mr. Car amen kan se mbi nchiro ne. Sahwi ahemfo. Omo gu omo woni mase. But I am assuring you, I don't want to studio, but I am assuring you and our listeners. So we are here for Mokok na Ayesu Huma, Ekoko Jisika Nina, Yababu Bomodi next week. You see? I don't know.
Nti kwasi sana identity ne fa so akwose so omoniama. Ono na kan you. E wo peace news we bia.
Nyewo na okan.
Nye Daniel ne kan no mo penache no. In the sense you akwose wiram. Until lady ni bisa no question no waka wono na ball regional minister din e bo mpanyfo bi din tinya Daniel nti Daniel kana se wose no o tie news
good
say na nipa ne ka nti se nipa no o bibi ka sa nipa na wo hye wiram a wose odwane yakose wiram no wono ne kokan wasem because wono na ye na allegations
say wi ayemfo
nti
de bia obia kasa no wabo bonzan obia kasa no wabo bonzan nti the regent of there's a also traditional area or council. Nana bonzai.
Yeah.
In the regent, the area, look at what is going on there.
Galam seni dia kwasi
we have a regent of the whole city.
Galam seni dia.
And the area, everyone is calling bonzai.
Enya honko ache say.
That is what I'm talking about. He is the regent.
Just say a serious issue. They say ofa contromra afamu ho a nkuro bibiri omo ye ofa hanu say a say dia na ye hu on say man ba ko fe o say banda okọ banda ayi Burkina Faso fo e na aba abeje kuro na fa omo ye mia mikrom dua kwanta de jamem ene nkuro bi honom ho so abeje ho aboso enkofo omo ye adi kese so kura anya Ghana fo just say wo dwen ho ana Ghana fo ni bi so accept enkofo ne no omo ye na ebare sa na de na ye ho asoman adi yase yempe kosi nye bi ni se na musfo akoche nkofo a Ghana fo yi bia o Ghana for the
government. Mr. Ka.
Okay.
We'll talk about that issue tomorrow. Thank you.
Ghana for the biao. Akwa nipa na yachi womo no. Nti na ye pese ye true galamsey na se pese to ase.
Yet is a we also have. Our regent is the bonzai hene and the area everyone is calling Oko bonzai. What is happening? What is it doing? Thank you. Anapa Yanshe Bugatti the one and only professor of sports, Professor Dr. Dawood Afriye Ewaha. Oye, the one and only ambassador to Rockist Guest House. Onoso Ewaha. Prof, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
That's it.
Nice.
Yeah.
It is finished.
Kofi Kinata.
Yes.
So.
Oh. Said it is finished.
Also born nyumna daddy
look boy no. Sam ne
how was Kofi Kinata or a way or the acknowledge
yes.
And penny for pa. Was born nyumna daddy look boy. Now, yes, I know him.
Oh yeah, no boy nyamia.
Okay.
What ram obi him na. Enu a on say me.
I didn't know won ko ade bia o yare aboa ewura ohwunim.
me say nyamia.
Okay. Let's say me be some kwasasem.
Let me carry you. Let me carry.
But I am one was the bia wo yare a.
And I'm saying nyamia. And I'm saying nyamia.
And must be some kwasasem.
And I will.
All right. As I come on Rocky's guest house is been catched up. So up a bia obeda. Ama ho ato. No one say what da adan na ho. A Rock East Guest House. Ubedi aduane manaya oda. A Rock East Guest House restaurant. And sano mo nuno actually kama. Yawo ba honom. Yawo conference hall. Your signs ewo barbering salon 24/7. Yawo security ewo honom. Na oka no so ebenya baabi agina ama ne ho ato the sense your car park very spacious. Eti bomade na fo ni echemu ewo anwem kwantempon no so. Rock East Guest House eben Jane Ike Block Factory. Fresh 0540 536618. Rock East Guest House. Yes, where every day is a great day. And it's time for our question for the day. Bogati.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
Napo one.
Boss, yeah, no pay.
Yeah,
oh,
and I wouldn't pause surprise me.
Oh, okay.
But still, me bisa question it was bad. Oh,
Bauchai.
The answer or the man me say bisa answer no one's a bad. Oh, actually no. Or thinking back, who said no, still, or yeah, mistake.
That's a no idea. Oh, child.
No,
yeah, me full answer to
David, go try. Oh, you so gam.
She says, honey, ever corner.
Nice one.
One for phone a guy.
And then some because.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Back off for crowd, China, being.
Okay.
Anyhow, we are near.
Okay.
The raw material for chocolate. And I'm sick cocoa. Hey.
And then what?
Hey, what was it cocoa habane? The new year, can't we cocoa?
Oh, boss.
Bugatti tell me the raw material for cocoa, chocolate,
cocoa na.
Cocoa. We are sure.
They would have said, oh, my dear,
what's in the Urano?
Now, cocoa has to be a
cocoa in a Urano.
No.
Oh, son, or yet the year,
and the year door.
Some yet another poor group.
Which is another raw material for chocolate.
David.
But the raw material is the cocoa.
Cocoa nabano.
Yes.
Cocoa bean, yeah.
That's it.
But still, as our castle cocoa, cocoa now, oh, and your bar.
All right. Mama, where is your nanny? Our question for the day. The best guest house in town, Rock East Guest House, where friends gather and memories see. They serve good food, cold drink. From sunshine to sunset, we are open wide. With 7 smiles, with 7 pride, all that you need. Rock East Guest House, your restaurant, spacious car park, 24/7 security, conference rooms. And it's your home away from home. Rock East Guest House, where hospitality wears a crown. Come and experience, and you will come back again. Barbering Salon or Rock East are your favorite there. Rock East, where every day is a great day. We go to Rock East Guest House. Ewo eye anwem kwantem pon so. Flow mo ahoma so 0540536618. Rock East Guest House is where every day is a great day. Buga.
Bosses of the bosses.
Say BBI.
Oh, yes, boss. How be anyhow? Yeah, prepare ye, pa.
Lie.
Oh, yeah. They say, you think I have him.
No. Muti grab Bugumani.
For questions, and I need my.
Oh,
they said, I need my cry. Need my. Ayana, Ununa.
Yeah,
any woman. But you're quite simple.
Later, Jenny Pop Conso.
About the boss.
Later, Soja ni. Oh, what's a
oh, yes, you be trapped. You be come to us.
Now, say, one say, unless I just see in Chow. Ye pesi, I never see ye test it. Ye listeners, no. Ye show more so, no.
Sure.
The way I think you, Hano.
Yeah.
Almost about no more. Yeah, I about quite a no. Almost about descend ye betray. Yes.
Yeah, need betray.
I betray idea.
Yes. No matter. So, we buy.
Now, oba ya na question on setiana
that's how I see it.
Asa be krani
So na o hu bet hu na
asafin wo ya tino
say the buna bam
but
no ade no say o say yes
then no ade ba then kan wo de ba no ya twa into yourself o asa me krani
Okay.
still na be twa
Okay. Buga.
Boss.
Phone back on the dimension wa.
Ni na kra.
Enye phone say boss. So be adu no.
And runs we man no use your phone.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And
yes.
Your question.
Okay.
Just simple.
Yeah.
Okay. But for phone to surama.
That's a
what if to surama? The rules of the game must be followed all the time. So
that's no cry. And no come on phone.
Okay.
Time will
yeah.
Rules of the game. Buga.
Rules of the game.
Yeah, for sports not.
And one come on, be think can dey come dey.
What if our phone to.
When you na chi be say twa.
Be say twa.
Masa dum no cry.
The other time bisa o say aboa ben no no nsu a.
Oh yeah.
And I answer no kokoye kangaroo, rat.
Yeah.
Okay. Which animal na obetimi atena se abra onnom nsuo for a long time?
A long time says how many
So 2 hours, 3 years or 4 years or it's an animal.
Onnom nsuo.
Obelu nsuo by onnom no ntentem.
Enya bi anoma.
Oh okay. Hey, Sabori. Sabori have been papa.
So about 8:17.
Yeah, man.
8:18 mekatem.
What is sense of mass craze pan? Aboa just on one year so na okay.
Was anum nsuo ana anum nsuo be. Anum nsuo.
So anum nsuo okay.
Okay. For a long time.
Ba kuna last week so na where dey.
Kangaroo. Onum nsuo a.
Onum nsuo be wu. Ba we dey onum but
onum but we anya bi anum for a long 20 years.
Konfa ho.
Or animal.
Dabi. Onye animal.
Oyaboa. Boss,
me say which animal can live without water for a long time?
Without water for a long time. Yeah. It's our boy we are. Abuana. Our boy cry.
8:18 nabo. Let me activate the phone.
A boy cry. Like Nidino. Minimidino wo. E was stream kasa but mininu wo twi mu ni bro.
E was stream kasa ya dey.
Ye for moy.
Bugatti for phone to
what is your answer? My answer?
Yes.
Any when?
Okay. Me say which animal can live without water for you, what is your answer?
Tell
me your answer. What is one?
That's more. You don't know me. Me call you when. Say give me one more.
Okay. One more any answer. So let me go on.
Yeah, not the answer anyone.
That's some say me media no.
Yeah, not the answer.
0536304072.
I feel go ahead.
Ma yanko onto the phone lines. Yan your first caller ewa ha. Yentie no. Me say which animal can live without water for a long time? Hello, good morning. Yeah, Fico yentie. Tetia. You. Me da say. Fico ya da sini Fico zo adwen check 0536304072 0533 0532 my so cry 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Me pacho udini wasem. Ima mpacho ready bu wachi kana form mpacho pi why? Okay. Medasi, anyone so dear. 0536304072. Which animal can live without water for a long time? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is it? Hey, Obaya niti boni beni ayo. Question ne bromo so. Oh. Sound. Okay, Obaya, what is your answer?
My answer is camel.
Camel.
Yeah.
Charlie, this girl, we a break, what? Obaya, we a break. What break? We a break. What break boys, no? The answer is camel. Obaya, one phone, so Obaya, Obaya, Moi. Oh, wow. The answer is camel. I know they say, don't say one. The answer is camel. Kangaroo rat.
On said American.
Yes.
Na Adeakye Abia and I'm mom when a bro for dinner.
I can be a mom and bro.
Tardigrade. What's it? I will be a friend tardigrade. Of course, you a friend, mom. What's it?
Are you cracking on frog?
Frog. What's it?
The answer is
Obaya no. Was never be out there 5 years. Obaya go. Onya wie na say. Obaya who?
Obaya also look smart.
Look
smart. Najmo o kan no di America. I don't church chance na onya answer.
I see. But the answer is camel.
By camel.
Nya wo de be kan bia ya wo wase. But the answer is
yeah. Boss on so crack kan o de kan na.
And I say nya wo wa kan no. But the answer is camel.
But the thing so ko sirimu from Tamadiko in and Sabuare from Momoy.
When Matias, you, AKA
Come. Also, Okosimo. Come in from 70 and someone or more those areas.
We interview him. To I mean, Yamo, I'm faster than from Rockies. But I Rockies the year. I was some Democochiano.
Boss.
I was just me cast a match. I was also boss.
You said that, babe.
Missy, I was Madame Cochia Rock East a year. What does it? To Madame Cochiano.
Boss, okay, sorry, but yes, Rocky's boss, Nankasa Yanko.
Now, Rocky's boss, Nankasa Yanko.
Oh, for Yanko. Is it the wife? The wife or Hana or Hana? Now, boss and so
Rocky's and so on a quantum on but Rock East, Mama Rock East and Casa.
Okay, you see, no, your point, your chum higher.
Your point, old chummy.
Say, your point, your chum before.
And so, let me try with my train.
And your point,
no problem.
Upon your call.
No problem. Rock East Guest House.
To Tiana.
And a Rock East manager.
Also,
I want to
sir, and Rabuga. Or see rooms, you know. Only out to a month. This is a son coming someone for to me. But baby, I'm not chin, but I'm not to know. Yes, I
was to say a fraud on prof.
Open the here, open the
bottom young baby. A drinks and one.
I was here for Bugatti. Nice one. Open Namaria prof.
Yes, you have
a couldn't drink so
Bugatti.
That's it.
Prof.
You could say you didn't bounce. I ain't see.
I pay him.
Nice one.
I go there once my hand, you for none pay. You bring no echo. Oh, about 16 minutes. Let's hear you.
Boss, you be a human quick.
Somebody.
All right, I'm sure, and a Tuesday, your trust, I could have some no, Yaripa, ever Jimadian sooner, and you want to make come in. A year Tuesday, you wait for Champions League and so on. A year Beckham come on, no, your trust, and you want to change engine. A quick a part to pay, and there's a woof for not while a quick, no what to make for them, no, the PM sword to me a command. 880 mention, Fatoso, no, your trust, and you want to so petty me and then 18 games here. TV out to jar, and we read for Champions League say that here, your pension no politician, or almost to the Pobaqua, your enter Frankfurt and sort of pepperoni, way Sankem win, I have 5:45, and a day's particular, and you give me a pet to me out to jar, your pension Timan, your first 3 Praha, 1 money Arsenal, and sort of pepperoni, and so I have 5:45 days particular, and you give me and so pet to me out to jar, your pension Tatco Mountain, Gomi Timan. Your for Union St. Gallios and so te peponi and so I Sami PM and a town particular camno and pet me out to ta your penyon ball to claim ta what we to my Samonako and so te peponi a year to vent yes and the all latest of Syria a year to vent to stemno what you pop your first supporting CP and so te pay and tamso your penyon leave for Potemon and a big game and yes and kept to our unfit and you Liverpool against man, the very mate, Messi and then Sacramento one, and Fevra Betu, some magic Timno, almost a decent. I agree for 10 person, I was so motivated. It's a big game, Massa, and then Peria, your first Zampi Alonso, Wakasan, Samson Peria, your fair and his throat and Swakasan, and then Pierce Rankasa, and Tinabia Betrasia, your day some more, and so petty with a bar, and Tinet this came home. I am 7 p.m. No unfit, not to say, a general so kumo and so on, and your big game, your big Olympia Casa, Wobby Timan, your P. A view of him, and so te pepani, that big game par Kubatota, our Paris. Tima, your friend Paris Saint-Germain, woman by a minute hat, second way, Pema. Sacramento, you may share Fura Park was a few just a few rap. I was your no and Fura and Casa Desert was a giant Bema, me and Casa make or sunset. So just out 2 times yard. One more from your best, especially I buy a minicron, one ever form, a me and Tuma, and then 7 p.m. Our park the Prince. This particular game, and Petri Autota, your opinion taught him, woman in Copenhagen. And so the pepani, where a games here, and then Tuesday, you wait for Champions League, and pet me out to car, and I'm a down salon, and so Tamo, our Jumadian and the Aeropay, ya and young San Catwan, and to pay for next on Tesso, now young quadim our Jumadian so, and one, and the Fibri loving, and so at the Petoga, and to win so confused, when and your best loving. And the best and Malcomako, I just a 2 Paqua. When we are there was a season, when I first book also say that it's a sick percentage. Apantia, your friend Donnarumma, the year 2015, and as a 2024 rata, the performance and a super, and a K12, one almost go to Persina, one and a yachting, when we enter go personal, now you sing, young Potute, Nasa left, Nasa right back around. Apantia, your ayeta say, a slap for Kimi, was second to Paris Saint-Germain, one to Soron, almost Santa Bacano, I am Pantia, your Vente Van Dyke, a comment judge on Mamma Sam, and Yansan Ketwaka, the performance Aya Ketwa, Nunu Mentes. One say a motoring, next left back and all, one so much to me, you know, 8 win, I 5, I 3 defenders, and a Omotimiomo, young comment Phillips now. One must see up to send young Betty from a young right and so rings on a buntia, your fun enters a call Pama, a quatawil did. Bonan Casano, a quatanium ball, and the Omu call Paman. Esa Katimatima, your Fayan Tofe, Yaya Jut Bellingham, Esa Katimamati, Yaya Buncher from Purty, Esa Katim MC Passa, Yaya Fatian, Esa Katimatima, your third is a PAG, Etianon, and some mint Fertasano, Na Young Quatakas, Lami Yaman. Opinion Fekine Puppy, and a Buntia, your awesome Dembelli. Anyway, I have few po in love, and at Metia Tuka, ever tomato so, Mammy Sisso PM, Donnarumma, your penya at stuff for Kimi, your penya veteran Van Taika, Nunu Mentasa, Kopama, a bunch of a jut and penium, your penya perking, your penya fatia, a buncha, your lami, your mar, Tessakilin puppy, and Osman, Den Belly, a twin. And sweet to say, I am feel po 11, and I'm a town samro, and so dear to ta, I will tomorrow so, next one, na young quadim and so on, at the financial tussle, na young Tessate, and Yama and so pettimaco, young called DFB Pocan, that's a run of 60, and they St. Jono, and so Trapa, Borussia Dortmund, I will run of 60, woman Shetima, your firm Bayern 04. Tima, your firm Bayer Leverkusen, almost to Peponi, and to Dortmund, Ebesha Bayer Leverkusen, your Benjamin Pekka, woman hosting Kion, and so to Peponi, your Benjamin Tima, your MC Union Belly, woman Bayer Munich, way I am mismatch, on Sansan Kimno, on my highlighter, Sansa Timan, your friend as a Union Belly, or Monster Best Yipa, your Benjamin Boom, woman I used to God, and to Peponi, Hector Belling, Ebesha Tima, your Tima, your friend Kayaso, or Monte Bayan Temso, your Benjamin Freibeka, or Damstat, and so to Peponi, Borussia Monte Clubback, Ebesha said your pony, your Benjamin Alpilabzica, woman you Pobokwan, your friend Ayatese, I am Mantebek, almost to enter Peponi, way Ayatesen, I DFB Poker, round of 60, and I'm a different Chasano, and so tomorrow, I will tomorrow's Anapai. Next one on first Pokemon, na Yankurmisa, and TV photo so, na Yantrasa Tenemaseko, and Tumuga, we keep Parakasa.
Yeah.
Where are you keep a bench for Robert Sanchez? Was see, I have reached a very good level now. I am consistent. I have the confidence. I have the fans behind us. And we are your coach, goalkeeper. You have Robert Sanchez. Was it an AJ? Just why am I true? He say consistency a year, day in, day out, or that goal person, and then so that goal person or confidence. Some boy obey me at channel where you obey me pass it and says that what that. No, that.
When is Anke Papa?
What support is
because you're in the
Yes.
Anke.
What support is now? We are most support.
The Tanachi or any inquiry.
Yes.
The Tanachi, we are Champions League ball.
Yes, and we are pa. It will keep on.
Yes.
Some support.
Of a Sanchez.
Come on.
No, you don't know.
Taro one can send him so on.
I don't know who know. Send Pabia, Duma, or be a son, Yadia, on one who said the Econ and Quay. No possible. A Duma creator have been out by now to Mr. Vimna was sweating so wow. The my head meant to one who say, goes in there, son, no yet, on Yadia. Into Nadia, who says, if I say, or in home Besaba. Into one chip boy who be done.
But I shall you not say, what says a yes,
let's say, you can't give that boy.
Yes, it's 7 years. Eddie for last one to so now, mean fancy now began for fist some no, and so and for my ever tomorrow, a began. And a big game no, unfit. Yes, but Tima. You have a leave for Potimo or money. I am remarted and a dear pony.
Big game.
Now, Liverpool are winning 4 times. One I have drawn. Wow. And a Madrid I winning 7 times. It's in the head to a senior city. And I said, this is a trust. Your details are more latest and updated on. And so, waiting now, but came a big game here by Madrid. Yes. Against Liverpool team. For now, Liverpool,
and assembly.
Yes, assembly. 80 Centenary. About no me, no, your details are more latest and update. So to make massa haya.
Okay.
Etibuga interface away.
Me la self for proper we are no pay to me some bana fei makwako din komo kan some no fiare dos ka krabi na ye de wasna for morning show mu adana sanso ato so waso agutu a utie wo best sports station Liberty 92.7 yen ko na pay yen ko din komo kan shift attention yen komo ka onim se player kan o si akade makotoko player for say you see kids na bi asinya for say we ogina 6 word amanfo dwane na sabre oye Pierre de ma PFAG na ulimisa ono na kasa de ma players na mom se ne man ko ye na players na di America pani ka bi ma ye na enro ye ne bon komo na o kire mu sade ba ko hand pan se ene se oye player na team bi sign wa na team ne hu se sabi o ye wadum na mom hwe hu ni se player ne ba na se wa nya de ba pam tie na mpani fo no so mumfa ni die empama players a ye na mu sign wo mu ade ba mu team no ye tie player ne di enso ne isi chip san kan na osina kai de ma kuma se asane korokono.
Yes, very. So we need to respect our players, Fifi. Respect is not all about money, and welfare is not all about money. But most of our who do not accord their players the maximum respect.
Why?
I don't know why. Because they think that they are doing them a favor. Yeah, bow. So, I mean, you should infringe upon his right. They've also got their right. We need to accord them the maximum respect. Even though salaries are not coming on time, we should have good words to console them. But you see, some of these the managers and administrators and CEOs do not even explain to the players why their monies are not coming. You understand? So it's a huge problem that needs to be solved. We commend the current and government for his involvement in the administration of our.
Well, the next you know, sounds to us say, I did back on a pan of Sobaka Sabatam, no be who Sabatam, what more, Yamano was Robert on TSC Kotoko Team Neto, Nemum, no Senka, Omutim extended the contract, and Sana, Omutim answer to play for Sabatamwa. You see, chips are.
This situation, in Abel's situation, if I understand you very well, I don't have facts from the players' camp or from the club's camp. But then, from what I'm hearing, both player and club agreed to the terms. KOTOKO needs money. The player also feels that it's time for him to leave. So it's fine. But coming to the sporting reasons, it's not good for the club and for the team as well, because I think this is his second year with KOTOKO, right? And he's been doing so well. I mean, he's the talisman of the team. And so in other situations or in other areas, what KOTOKO should have done is try to renew his contract, try to make sure he's comfortable here. That means give him more money or give him more bonus.
Well, when he's some public relations officer, my PFAG, or Penny Events Institution, I was a format and Canaan, sir, who run BECHEM for us, I want PRO, I Penny Events, 200 Jesse Emmanuel. Now, or Chile say, Omu, coach Events System, Isanum, Omagana, and then won't go beside the Barney sign, and now Masakamo coach Events is 70 Sayenti, 200 Jesse Emmanuel, and a Casa, and so my BECHEM United.
This morning, Sabuchi. The unknown and the final tester say only the technical team and only the team no fire no objectives are set my own for the 2025-2026 season. During the preseason, we ran about home the other technical team members said to them during the preseason tournament boiling out in the but unfortunately league in the results na air corner. Na enye Adia, you only say the betting up one machine, the Baconavi, and you betting achieve a target. In management, a meeting and post-mortem analyze the situation, share near to Chiman, Intia, Emma resource, and Cosine or and finally, the result is we needed to change. Technical handlers.
When I saw you, a coach, someone into us about Senate, see Corner, Muka, someone at was a team in the betting area, and a team, and a sound to be out of penny at the tea. Sabria coach, Abel and Apubiana, as a month from a penny for a player we bought or Tim Tadabi, or man interference at that, while black coach is in Mr. Sabrianum. Now, yeah, Juma answered them all. We didn't take a cry.
Well, frankly speaking, Coach Biobe Juma as a head coach for the BECHEM United, you have the free room to operate, and management is on the behind new things also. Now you are making sure that you are doing the right thing that is going to help the club. We don't force ourselves on coaches' decisions beyond person will take it. We say if they need be so we make one or two suggestions. We only do so and then we leave everything into your hands. Particularly, I wouldn't say is because of that
now, just interference, but not in a subject of Paris, Sabri, as Stephen Sakodi, why never say Sabri, or Moody Plus Macobe do and Yagu in Sanyani so more Sassiomu, now Omet my Bacona Fame, about their coach and so Adiama, BECHEM United in
a couple of coaches are aligning with a Muslim based on their philosophy and their style of play, and the coaches are adapted to that. And I mean, as you said, Mengo there is a true BECHEM person, and we are looking at all these coaches. I wouldn't say we are coaching coach. We are looking at him, but the other coaches are on board. We have about 5 to 10 coaches.
When is some opinion for a 200 Jesse man on a customer BECHEM of a Martin Ghana team and an impant for Pina Bonk. Say, Namia Sunday, a Ghana version of a classic KOTOKO house. Namia Sunday, the assembly to a cross stadium. Now, Panimba, Kokasa, Adam House, the funny sir, Kwame or Parade Chenangpoya Duma, Sunday, dear. Oma prepare here, KOTOKO formal bar, because Omum Famuniagrom. You take Kwame or Parade on Sunday game, a bit in Akosono.
Sabi got on fire and sang here, Demi for more. As never one year, 90 minutes, and I involved. the extra minutes can hold the 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes. And at the end of change. What we do is that the 90 minutes, you prepare for it. Make sure that any extra minutes your concentration is very high, your focus is very high, and in terms of preparation, from all 4 angles of the world, you have.
You can say ASANTE come how because I bet the banner and when you start catching up penny, I said you see saying other subby bragging be as them like a chrome was that be and yanum do subby answer the funny better bobo now the other deciding as someone to know ya boy I want in America sir and you bragging you take Kwame or Pariado.
About my fan, just some 3 days away from now, and then it will be 11th. That will be our anniversary. Very, very, very well. Apart from the fact that it's a Premier League fixture, that you have to always make sure that you're bragging right and the points out there, you fight for it and you do everything for it. It's our anniversary. The company for any man, you have something valuable to show, and of course, I feel also. Yeah, what is my supporters in here? And then I come home to never be that year to reward our supporters. And let's see some more free tickets and all of that. That is part of that. Because it's the time.
Well, so Kwame or Parade no matter the gun money so we start upon the heart for the Biamo Baba so sana mutia o Kayaso it mona no the powder selling after mo bana sabina asa and to my fita bi katamutron na also share football on the kase adro nim baby adro yintie Kwame or Parado.
Religious. Regardless of Rooney and also even not all of them. So as for Black Africa, whatever that you do, we believe the God that we serve. We know that in everything that we do.
It was the ASANTE must see way and a Casada has to be for the Kwame or Porridge Sunday dear. KOTOKO for one who here as some ever to Mr. Dawson. Yet the scenario, Ebono and the better than a fay, and a good demo in some Asanso Adia Brabote for Canapay, so they are on the same nano, and so at the Ababato Mamiti, at the water, Freddy with my friend said Bugatti.
Fiaka Wakuma 2 yem, Akatachie Royal Village Hotel, our rooms Makuma 40, your air conditioned rooms with DSTV and free, your bed biti king and queen size, conference hall for meetings, car park, restaurants, cocktail bar for both alcoholic and soft drink. Now Shadisumami say every Sunday bia Sunday special at the blow, yeah Benku, Fufuo, Nkonkonte, any mutu, Akatachie Royal Village Hotel. So we are ye, Badin tour, bad base, party, for any children our Akatachie Royal Village Hotel. Yechira kwai our Western North. Sahuyoso, Panoso.
Na bambo won sem so to say.
Akatachie Royal Village Hotel. Your securities 24/7. Yababa who buy assembly mahu. Sa u pentre mu bia frɛ number 0594263350 and say 0549040570. Come and we will serve you better.
Bills are canning who be a more. Bills set 2025 video. And it does so homo bia or tiwakwa. Only ejuma ye. Ain't if I when it's bills. Na beji loan na ubet media ye wow ejuma. Way ye loan don't come me. Wun yashio. Ye wun hiane wu Ghana card. Na wun saka usika. Na sa we obi a we wow ejuma upese wutremu. Anasa we ejuma enia. Uchi busumi aketria. And your bill set bray. Na beji loan na. Wun febi BS yawa. Collateral. Anasa deposit. Wun hiemu bia. Ain't ya video. Bill se si obi a wuni ejuma bia ye. Ubetumi abeji loan don't come inubi. Na sa wut nefie na we nye sika nubi dia. Eye wow. Ain't if bills se si a. Ewo 0596-920-833. Ana 0302-200-390. Na wetumi yawo bills. Name HSA Kakrawo. Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit in Shishayase. Bills, financing your needs.
Mira, what do you want to say? Bibi and Fowl. Sia, and
na wo ma me free fie ha ko na tema wo bedi me ne no ese wani se e ka kire enam eyafuna me nyanti na sisi ade ade abebɔ mu kra de me se me te hɔ a nsu fitat me gume na ke kamesa etu de me wura me sida oni die mu ada me sida entena to so kra boa me wate na bai me nya bi to me na so na yade a eya gima bɔ so no so yentu ase
odo papa bi enye se mayi mani o na se se me no ka se die me ko twikɔ brema chichi ni nyina ene die ha no nyina atuatwa esan se madamfo bi de me akɔ clinic bi a o nyame ni mini adanse kra be kwa na kofo gikran ebo adwene ntiase so a eye Nkenya Herbal Clinic odo ja se gonorrhea chlamydia obi ya stroke ewewe obi na hisi eye ne ya obi onya prostate cancer hepatitis A B C anasa opesa ne be makraye kese no ana wonya hypertension ana asichire yare no ana nsawansawa bi agudi bedua no odo Nkenya Herbal Clinic esasa yade we nyina obi owa ni haw owa ntihyewa typhoid odo se yenya yefu anwube o Nkenya Herbal Clinic die emma entafo ahenasa ni nyina be piem oya oba na wonsebuo no asisi su yi a Nkenya Herbal Clinic ebetimi aboa pa sanso na obi a wo kidney problem bia obetimi ade aba Nkenya Herbal Clinic on be sane yade odo ye bitru honom no efidie ye de screen ahodo ye de hwe mogemu san fidie we nyina ebi ewo honom odo ye ye ko ye ntena ya to so ye ko sisi a
mira eni je na be fie sei we de mase badia ebe ye de metimi agyemase wani je so
Nkenya Herbal Clinic oye adwuma free ejoda kopem memeda anapa no nso kopem anwumre no onum hwehwe ye wo se hwibekwai atwema ye ne Assemblies of God asoro down ene de hwanim fro no wasam atofo iso 0243 719385 Nkenya Herbal Clinic ye betu yare no so sa
Omandishie esane wakwampa ye fa susumien customers nti apartment fi ura bank abaye bank ya dodo no agye atomu abefo kwanya ye de mani sika ne nyina ye obi wa Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link I-Transfer, and Western Union. Your branch is this way. You were electronic banking, so 24/7 ATM services. Baby, any, Sashibakwai, Sashijunasi, Asankagwa, and the Dunkon of Fame. You switch bankers drafts and SMS alert here. A man who dear cost our account to mono, and also come home. Apartment Fura Bank dear. Yansamu, you were easy loan products, and my abandu my phone. Now less than 3 hours. Now we start count loan. About the third party and comprehensive insurance and so on. Bra apartment fee Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Agreement fee, Sashijunasi, Sashioso, Sashibekwai, Sashakwantomra, Dunkon of Fen, Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasadrabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a Fufrokra, and Swaba Sashi Asampane, and near Medidra, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Usikasu, your head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966, and 0244 948 600, Afi 0549 040 570, Apartment Fee Ura Bank, Yenimu Fretete, Apartment Fee Ura Bank, Yashumoda.
Me Junior Mengro, my bravo. Hey. Na wani na adia wo Joba Grosan na adia wo nyame nam dota mu a wo personal natural health care so aye eno na di bani je say yo
peske awo hu nsem de otenete se wo kase mu obuo ko prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mreyo
say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisti yade afichi kroma manihunu enamu yade hodo ene yade bia wo
ne se wa na me di oluman enu oledi kwa check up owo mfidie pa me ye na adoma chiko ani na nse mi double no who ni sen
hey I'll grow here
oba o pese o hips anase o to eya akese ye nwo adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo wedi aboso a eno nso ye yi free ho berima oba masua na pese o pagyabu no bra ye be pagyamu ama obe hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyameche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achi wa Kumasi G Runabout Medila Bachi Wope Babiani Adesa Human Rabank Womono Sario so and Pumam Yene Church of Pentecost and the Dean Shanimu Takwa Roman Stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyai Ufri Kumasi KOTOKO House Rex Yene Total Filling Station in the Dean Shanimu
Fre Peske L 055 773 8555
Peske
Quality Hair.
sɛ mpanyin kasa nsuo twɛn ɔpɛ a na ɛnyɛ nsuo bi akɛkɛ o na mmom nsuo a ɛbɛma wo atumi agyina ɔpɛ ano density natural mineral water ne sachet ɛne dispenser bottle yɛ nsuo a yɛahyɛ da ayɛ ɛde ekum wɔn sukɔm density natural mineral water pebinom wate anio yɛnom nsuo de kum yɛn sukɔm nom density natural mineral water beaeɛ a yɛyɛ nsuo no ho te yie paa yɛwɔ 500 milliliter sachet ɛna 19.5 liter dispenser bottles ma afiafie ne offices hwehwɛ yɛkyi kwan wɔ number 27 new ridge a ɛwɔ tanoso kwantempɔn no so hɔ a frɛ 0596 604743 ana 0208 466256 na koto bi yɛ wayeforo ɛyie ɛne badwam nhyiamudeɛ density natural mineral water nsu papa nie fda agye adwadie nkratoɔ yi atom
amanfoɔ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛmfuom ne yɛkɔyɛ bɛgyina na ewiem nsakraeɛ nsunsuaso na presenti ɛna GCFRP ɛne Red Plus de enable dwumadie yi abrɛ mo titiriw ɛma wɔn asɛbe wadi dɛm ɛmmɛbo no ɛne tu kɔtenafoɔ no mekyerɛ migrant ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ nyinaa yɛde yɛn ho hyɛ na yɛduadua nnua na yɛbɔ yɛkwaeɛ ho ban nya so mfasoɔ nti mese obia nnua bi ɛniyɛ ya obia nnua bi yɛmmɔ yɛkwaeɛ ho ban n'anu na de sika bɛbaa obia nnua bi yɛbɛnya carbon credit mɔfrɛ nya bi mɛbunu nya bi ɛbɛnya bi na wɔwɔ so nya bi o na mo symptoms obia nya bi. The Enable initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP and Red Plus.
Hey, wifey, nesana we active say. Ede tikane wo be he no amoa ho de nam ho. Oh.
Jemi Razabren. Na minya araba bazen pills. Edu ma fiti cross wa nyo. Etimi ka me say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no he emaye. Eto da ba etimi basi bum bum bum. Ebi nso wo ha. Minya tenka bia krasa me no be hia.
Bode na ha mi o.
Oh, araba bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne mo jadi me mu afri sane ye. Me moja so aso ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na araba bazen pills aswemu emei hunchu capsules so aswe ne mema no pa ma se de no odwonso 10 pie no wanya hoto do no odwonso anemu ya ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wo haw nyina afie ne mema so
mira na wo kai last time enka wo ya se wo ho obazi mu no
asemu akobo so e se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be funa ne se oh me wo se basa di ba bi nso bra ma dwonso bia me fi se ma wie no na se kakra kem wow oh se hunchu capsules you haw nyina firi hokra
Araba bazen pills ani hunchu capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop biem
Wosefino important ho a obenya bi wo Candice License Chemical Store wosefiri also wofa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se and Estina Herbal e wosefiri de kwai Junior Saman and Prince Moses Pharmacy wa Sciences SKD a e wosefiri aboso obetuma afre Kulun Ghana Limited e 05049 06665 0545 906665.
Ma, musaka on your manana.
Anio, Sisiana rider na the buy, sending a momo.
Yo,
Paco, and your smartphone now we use to. For momo app ni tiane.
I didn't app.
Hey, and you now so ye millennium was a millennia, and I won't need momo app no. Oh, millennium for ya, dear cry. For app ni di juma, na se odi di juma, e contem, na hu bambo so womu.
Beka enkofuku a wodi bomo app ni di juba biara dem. Tia wujadi ni a ope na sem no ka. Tia insuo ni kania ka. Ana ba unsanka ya bisi ahudo bi a ye manubu. Twimomo app no ede ya. Na hyase fa di juma.
F-pack ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edi kata ho yaw. F-pack tutu yawa efiri minimu kura abrofo friend sore throat no. F-pack jojo honam mu yaw nso. Na se we ya dwumaden so na wo tutu a F-pack ma wo ho dwo wo fom Sara na wono a epe sports akansi ahoro ni mriketu nso no se wo honam dua no ye wo ya F-pack wurawura wapo mu koma ya wo no eye dini F-pack kutia feverishness F-pack jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no Sara nso na F-pack ekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebusa no F-pack so ma wo ho sepew Ubenya F-pack wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia
F-pack ye busua duro ma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire
asthma ne ulcer yarefo apemfo ene ma wo ma manu for de ense se wo fa F-pack se wo fa F-pack nanu na wo ho anto a ko hu doctor.
F-pack blows your pain away.
Nienti a ye pese ye ti ye ho kan no dos na so yin na ko wie se ye be ma ya dofo eni agye
da me saka ti cash no wa me da se
me ba Angela no
me ba kojo me saka telisol cash me na papa nyina da wa se
se me hema wo fo eye ma se de se me tuetua maka me mbra kra free se me use telisol cash na me suppliers so mo me shop ho de
hello boss me ya telisol cash alert no me kura na send me ma na besisi a
me mo ni je free se found network omo use me send sika ko omo merchant number e wo network ya so na me the telisol cash send ma dofo sika abra ye ntime hwe
abusiafo anyankofo ne edwadifo enigi no na ma ye connections mu ye din for telisol cash send wa dofo sika wa mu telisol cash wallet so debia ne abrebia e free ye sika nya hotana ma wa dofo enigi abrebia wo de telisol cash send one sika
Telecel connect Christian yenyina ye sebe nadafo no man pa mfase dem fama recover group of companies anapay wo kodwa so akwakoto ne makwagu shop mu akwakoton a woni akire mu ewo Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye wo wholesale branch a ye tu ne ma edema amanfo na wo mu etu ne ma ne bi ekogu wo mu shop emu nti anapay a wo teme nkai fo woni kire mu ewo Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye wholesale branch no ewo Buako station hono mu se wo pese wo to emu na akokoton anwa sardine detergents ahodo toiletries ade bibia wo hu ne se wo kwakotu ewo dwaso ade akogu shop mu no woni akire mu ewo Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye wholesale branch no ewo GPRT station wo dwuna se apa man fi rural bank ne nchen ho bonsa brosan kese bi ewo hono yensimwie aha ehonom na Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye wholesale branch na ewo ene man so pese wotu ekokoton a woni ekire ho ye science so ewo retail branch and so ewo upper Amenfi rural bank no nachi ewo GPRT station hodma anapay adanse won yema nyina obi anfa dani enchire mu ewo Recover Construction and Trading Recover Construction and Trading honum ena obenya niam pa no ato say eye cement POP cement tiles plumbing materials blocks a day na ope a fair dance won kwa de whatever the actually mu ewo eye Recover Construction and Trading general construction hunyama nyina ye nyina ewo yaso ye ye won krabata ahoro bebre ne mu yaso ye kese na nkasa ewo tano so ukọ na krum so ye wo ho ahwiam ye wo ho ye wo Kestown Junction ofra yen 0244878466 ana 0534212702 aye beje so Emma Rainfree said Queen Elizabeth Hotel. Yabi yapono. Ho bia a obetimi ada na ho. Atmosphere na ehonum na enye very very bad cry. But yes. Ho nomba nyina obia ani beji. Se ordinary akire mu ewo eye Queen Elizabeth Hotel. Nta ho woni nyina yemfa omo emra. Queen Edamu de ye woni nyina bi. Fridges ahodo, television, air conditioning, cylinders, microwaves, blenders. Nyabema ifia ye ni kana ya ni je. Ye woni nyina bi ewo big family enterprise. Se nchense ebe no mu nuane ni ebe didi mu. Mattress abeda so carpet awde be se dam woni nyina no ebi ewo eye the big family enterprise. Blind curtains ahodo, colors and sagres ni nyina ye woni nyina bi. Ubehunu eye the big family enterprise ewo Junase Frames Filling Station no ye no mo na eye edi anim hwe ye nkrabata ba kon so ewo eye abrosan na eye se human rural bank wo mu no jana pay frey yen 0243920371 and 0244675960 big family enterprise. Yes, quality and affordability. And so, yeah, the United Nana Pebba so yeah, airboy. I was saying, when you know, and so be answered now, so on Obanum Supa, a Supanos, and no any density natural mineral water. I know, and I pay me come for Eddie amount. You have 500 millimeter sachet, you have 19.5 liter bottles in the ɛyɛ ɛma offices ahodoɔ ne afiafia ahodoɔ nyinaa mu nti adapa me kan for density natural mineral water at the amount Jumade bia wo de be hia nso wase de ɛno a ne density natural mineral water number 27 New Road Tanoso Main Road the hone ye wo anafra yen 0596 604743 0596 604743 and 0208 466256 density natural mineral water yes in supano enoa enono ya mana da chen hia o nti fa borfa no ko school pa so de wo de borfa no ko no kokotro so ya o mfeli da isanse ye wo examiners ye wa ye examiners o mo chade o ho teacher for no so ye well qualified o mo wodim de well experienced nti wo de borfa no eba eye Benye Appented Senior High School always have for the bachelor so do be trying the results papa e de abafie na here to us after this break.
Was a money Dianaba Namon Fine in Haba and some way the Almighty Doctor met me out those who call a remoa after Ghana share so a rabbi. I cope a new brand any Habama Ediaba Ghana Memu Ababenua Ediaco food and transport. I'm a testify Agiatu. I'm the Edrono Abba Egamaiso. So I drew a different thing altogether. Share a drono yeno Obama and a Messiah no bar. Into no Baba Tobiana. Me ma top Beman, no asa to Obano so asaka. Beman no a Juma at the same police. And Obano so a Juma to say Suja. The Drono Matunidin a Garafa. Beman a red. And Obano so a green. And yet, do I finish saying no answer? No more 10 minutes. No, Dona shall say a Juma. A year Juma in Tinum. A year Juma in Pimu. A Sayed Mo Mojam Ubia. Still catching an answer. Ubia Waya Mra, Nimpo Waya Mra, Untimi and 19 Yafia, Ubia when your accident, the hour for floor, your operation, na a crew a lipidium, stomach ulcer, a crew trim, a crew or yam, a crew or sick, a crew or heifer, a big crew who crew tossa our garafa a baby, Necono, Nehadia.
Sawo Padua to Anasan Chiremufra, Fred 0249 749 797 and 0242 024 840.
Jojo, what boy you? Coffee? My country was a buenya drama. What can you mean? And can you see idea a hamino nyagro cra? Nasi say, dear, Manya Yarisa. Coffee? Manya Yarisa and Naka Crabby and Mema also a daughter Heba man capsusi. Annie Jojo, Manya Yarisa Mritiawai, every say, Mashia also a daughter Heba man capsule. Menum also a daughter Heba man capsules, Naka Crabby. Messisi Yadia na a hamino, Nina ko Ampara, also a daughter Heba man capsules, yes, see Yadia drew. And unti. May come for also a daughter Heba man capsules. Ama Ubiara or Sisi Adia. A druy and Yema him for a ma woman for any more fra wouldn't fee to me. Oben also a daughter Heba Center or Achuma Yabe, walk quadra so quantum pornoso. Also a daughter Heba man capsules do draw a tour for 1 war 0242 702662 and 0545 355 796. FDA aji egwedi nkratwe atum.
KOTOKO City Experience 2025. Say your mind. Serious Municipal Assembly. The Ghana Tourism Authority. Ashishe Jumedi Strong Combo Oshego on the 15th of November. Kopim 22nd November 2025. Chiambo Limua Saturday 15 November. Yeah, cleanup exercise on the free health screening was Sehi Asarenso on the regional say. Kwesiada 16th November. Yeah, diaspora homecoming. Yeah, may Biala Kwaba but Sehi also land. On the 17th, Monday, Yanya Siboye, Himeb Sehi Michael Pija with the Pitching for Tomorrow idea. On the 18th, Yakotori site near inter-schools and cultural display. On the 19th, KOTOKO Symposium, Yabokoko Kriafue, Abaso, and also engage the youth on driving sustainability. On the 21st November, Bomtro celebration or the traditional food fair. On the Grand Deba was Sehi Kesikru, near Siaye, Sehi also Excellence Awards. On the grand finale, 22nd November 2025, for the street carnival with lots of artist performances and kids fan fair. To register as an exhibitor or participant for the business forum and exhibition, call 0244-883484 or 0240-171935. For sponsorship, call 0240-171935. KOTOKO City Experience 2025. Sehimai Sonu Maye Peja. This event is powered by Sehiyoso Municipal Assembly and supported by the Ghana Tourism Authority.
Hello, Ghana for Bills are coming home. Bills set 2025 video. Any da so homo bia wati wakwa. Oni ejumaye. Ain't if I when it's bills. Na beji loan na ubeti media ya wow ejuma. Way ye loan don't come in. Wunyashio. Nye wuhiane wu Ghana card. Ewa na wunsaka unsika. Na sa we obi a we wow ejuma upese wutremu. Anasa we ejumaye niya. Uchi busumi ya ketria. And your bill se bray. Na beji loan na. Wumfe BS yawa. Collateral. Anasa deposit. Wuhiemu bia. Ain't ya video. Bill se si will be a winnie ejume bia ye. Ubetumi abeji loan don't come inubi. Na sa wut's nefi na we nyesika nubi dia. Eye wow. Ain't if bill se siya. It was 0596-920-833. Ana 0302-200-390. Na wetumi yawo bills. Name HSA kakrawo. Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit in Shishayase. Bills, financing your needs.
AC, bra. Na one pa na o complain say sciatica e hawi. And then never na wona aso sa no.
Ofa, my bro, my bre papa. Me to asentini, etimi twimi say time. Yale bone. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivu Abam. And I Jimmy Sano.
Sir, Dr. Kodivu Abam. Any sciatica and kwan esana.
Ofa me come chira when ya sciatica and kwan. Mini abeme ya no way chire he ya na stroke achini ya wakademi. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivu Abam ya na mi di nwa dance ya chire no. Wodi twitwi ne ho ade ya chie di twi no. Ne ho ato no say from wasole. Na etumi stomach ulcer papa. Ene honam yaw. Na oba ne sabuo maye. Wo shia Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivu Abam ya. Ebeba kama. Ama ne ba ye sipi esita. Adwani ti ye kokko. Ena ne to wa ne ye fita.
Hey, ene na Dr. Kodivu Abami. Eyadu po. Na menya bi atowen.
Wo pe bi atu akoton a. Fa wani kire Kumase Mamponten. Ena wo pe bi ato wo sewi hanso a. Afa kisi heba. Philomena Fosia Chemical. Esther Ata Chemical. Opana Drugstore. Ewe Leman Krum. Ena chemical ne heba shop bia ti atese. Na ubetimi afre number 0246336509. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivu Abam. Enam Papa.
Problem there. Me catch ya say Ranking Collections we the leading boutique in Western Offer. Now di machinye ne suruma prowa wona na ka asem kyerɛwa nkobi sa ma me Ranking Collections why say prekasa no we free nkwanma nkwana nya de mema hu nneoma de fi wutiri so enkosi wo na ase ye ton mema hu nneoma nyina bi be say I check shells quality jeans and knickers slippers boxes watches store set half shoe and a full belts bola tops and then mema ni man nyina she boxer and mema ye de say ye ho no ni nyina bi wo Ranking Collections nneoma yi ayo original quality camouflage be say Nike Air Force, Jordan, Waffle Bika home. Mema Hunyuma Yinabi, Whoopin Tadia de Beko office, Urubacon Wajuma Bia, Ranking Collections, Sabwa, Sabama, Whoopin wedding, engagement, birthday party. Sorry, Hunyuma Yina, Ranking Collections, Mema Hunyuma Kwa, Ranking Collections, once a meeting, Sari Glasses Station, GP out to you, a mobile sign on Zara Station on the second floor, Ranking Collections, our home, and a Sari also glassy, a team, one Ginasa Hifiano, and a boss of pay. First, I want to 0544 461440. Ranking Collections, buy quality, pay less.
Jobs Enterprise. Yes, a Jobs Enterprise. Yaba, say yaba, niaba babo amansanyina. Say eba air conditioner sedia. Fenina science. Jobs Enterprise. Say offices, a few, another hotels, and our air conditioners. Say a fridge, cold room, which the cold stores are kasia. A car air conditioners. Fenina as a Jobs Enterprise. Yensa. Na yensies ye enfamao. Ye ton essence a services. Jobs Enterprise. Baby Biara. Ewo mama fanani nada. Ye ko ekoko dijuma edibwa ema air conditioners ejina wonan so ebo adwuma wadre fu nyenye eni ti se eba air conditioners dia eno ani Jobs Enterprise yaso ye kase ewo Kumasi Santase yebe Atansamaso Junction sunyane so yebe Calix Secretariat no enafi sewiyoso
NDC 4D NDC one representative ano debia na baby okobia station me bekọ akọ ye dwuma bia oye late but oba me boni din akire mo o ma ye de ye mfanto oba baby ebidu no obeto so firi ho na you say the director of operations of the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat NIMOS and his team were attacked at Widium in the Ahafo region on September